Let me share with you some techniques that will enhance how you take video recordings for your classroom or help students with public service announcements or projects. We all use our phones, we use the selfies, but let me give you some of the techniques that I've been learning from, and I'll give you the resources on this with Sean Cannell, who does a lot for instructing on YouTube videos and YouTube channels. So I have several links there for you. But starting off with the basics is just using your cell phone. A lot of people like to do what they call the periscope or do the selfie like this. But if you really want to have quality type videos, don't go portrait, go landscape. That's going to give you a much clearer picture, broader picture. You'll have better quality videos. Just simply using that. There's some other things I can do to enhance what I use. If I want to include my whole classroom, like I'm videoing a class for a student who might be missing, or I might have a lot of people out for that particular day, I might use this Screencast-O-Matic and then also make an attachment with a wide-angle lens onto the camera and get a broader picture of the classroom experience. Or maybe I need something wider to take in more information for you. But just different types of lenses that you can pick up. I tend to go with Aki. There's a lot that you can get on Amazon, but shop around. I'll send you some resources for improving the quality of that. The other thing that you might think about is getting a lavalier microphone. This is a 19-foot one that can attach to your phone. The only thing to do is to watch out for the adapter to be sure that that's one that fits your particular cell phone. Sometimes they're different connections. You've got to get the right one. The other thing that will definitely enhance is getting a good solid stand, lightweight. And I've used this one. It works really well. I can set this on a table. You'll see, you've already seen it in an earlier video clip here. And then I'm going to show you some WeVideo on how to edit a little bit later here, or at least show you where you can get access to that. I'm still growing with this particular process. I'm working on getting better lighting, better sound, but this is just a basic start. And once you start learning to do this, you can teach your students. They're going to start thinking you're kind of cool.